on this guy's garage, we're going to show you how to get your car home if your clutch is broke. As long as it's starting here, you're good to go.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Affecting this maneuver, the biggest thing that you got to be prepared for is when you try to start the car, it's going to start moving. To start, you need to have the car in first gear with the clutch depressed. When you wind the key over, the car is going to start moving. If you're nervous at all, you shouldn't attempt this. Get somebody that's not so nervous to drive your car. So this should get you anywhere you need to go, get it to be able to get it fixed. So take your time, give yourself lots of space, lots of room, and you'll be all right. So this is how it's done. I promised this video to Tim from Astro Auto Repair a while back, as soon as I got the car on the road. So promise is kept. No clutch. What do you do if your clutch cable breaks or your clutch rod? You can't shift without the clutch. It will get you home or get you to a service station if you can't fix it yourself. You want your RPMs to be just right. That helps you. Thanks for stopping by This Guy's Garage. Till the next time, This Guy out. Like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Squirrel.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.